Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video, I'm gonna talk about, or basically I'm gonna teach you about how to insert date and time in your MS Word document. So whenever you are creating any document, sometimes we need to add date and time in our document as well. And sometimes we need to add dynamic date and time so that whenever the document gets open, the date and time shows the exact date and the time, right? So I'll be teaching you both the things, that how you can add static date and time and how you can add dynamic date and time that automatically updates, right? So let's get into the video and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now, I am in my MS Word software and this is the dummy document. Basically, I do have the dummy text over here. Now I'm gonna show you how to add date and time in your document, right? Let's go to Insert tab. First, you have to go to Insert tab, and here you have to click on this in text option. These are the text options basically, and here you have to click on this date and time option. And when you click on date and time option, here you get various formats available, right? So these formats are basically according to countries, right? This is according to India. Then if you want to change the formats according to US, you can do that as well, right? So these are the US formats and these are the Indian formats, right? So if you are in another country like UK or any other region, you will be able to see that particular region over here default, right? So let me just go with the US one and select date and time both, right? So I'll be choosing this one. Here we do have date, time and second as well, right? So let's select this one and hit the OK button. Oops, I have added this here. Let me press Ctrl Z and make space here, right? So go to normal text because it was in the heading mode, right? Now let's go to again insert date and time, select the United States and select this one, hit OK, and as you can see the date and time has been appeared here, right? But there is a catch that this is not the dynamic one, this is the static. This will not change if you select this document, and whenever you open the document you will be able to see the same date and time which is right now, right? In order to add dynamic date and time, you have to go to insert and date and time, then select that format, whatever the format you want. Now you have to click on this update automatically option. Once you check this box and hit the OK button, now this is the dynamic date and time, right? So whenever you save this document and whenever you open this document after 2 days, 2 months or 2 years, you'll be able to see the exact date and time here, right? Now there's one question that the option, basically this date and time option has been appeared in only single page, right? If you scroll down, you'll be not able to see date and time here or here, right? If you want to add date and time on every page in one go, then you have to add it this date and time in header, right? And how you can add that? First you have to just go to this blank area which is the header area and just click two times. Basically you have to click rapidly 2 times, double click you have to do, right? Once you double click in this blank area, the header and footer section will be opened in front of you, right? As you can see, header and footer section has been opened. Now the process is same. You have to go to insert tab, go to date and time and select date and time. The automatically update option is on, turn on right now. If you want, you can turn it off, that is totally up to you. Hit the OK button. Now the date and time has been appeared here, right? Now if you scroll it, you will be able to see that particular date and time on every page, right? So that's how you can add date and time in every page. You can add it in footer as well. The process is same, right? Now if you are not able to see date and time on every page after adding into the footer as well, then you have to check this option. Basically you have to uncheck this option, right? Because if you check this box, then you'll be able to see the image only on the first page and that other pages will not be able to show your date and time, right? Because this option says different first page. This will basically make your page, the first page will be different if you check this box, right? So you have to uncheck this box in order to get the same date and time in all the pages, right? Now you can close header and footer. Now your date and time has been added into your header and footer, right? So that's how you can add date and time into your content, in your header footer, wherever you want, you can add it. I hope you learned from this video. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, if you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Also, don't forget to share this course playlist with your needy friends who want to learn MS Word more effectively and efficiently. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.